In this short video, I will try to explain what is the Excel formula for percentage change and why this percent format style is causing a lot of confusion for many Excel users. Although the concept of percentage change is very simple and straightforward. It is clear that when we are trying to find a percentage change, we must have two values. An old value, you can call it original value, initial value, and a new value, you can call it a final value. And percentage change can be found irrespective of what these values represent. These could be prices of a stock or just numbers. We can find percentage changes. But instead of just start typing the formula in this cell and make another confusing video, I would first like to explain the concept of percentage change on a slide. So I have taken the first three values here, and whatever formula we write in our Excel cell should cope for the positive and negative percentage changes. If the final value is greater than the initial value, the percentage change is positive, and if the new value is less than the old value, the percentage change is negative. And our formula must be able to cope for any situations. The second thing is, what is percentage change? Percentage change is the change in value for every 100 units of the original value. So if the original value is 100 unit and we have a new value 120, the change is 20, and this change is for every 100 units of the original value. So therefore, percentage change will be 20 in the first example, and I intentionally put these numbers because it is simple to calculate the percentage change. So this is the concept. What is the change for every 100 units? But in the second example, this cannot be done without a formula. And these are the three simple steps. And the third step is the reason for confusion because this step is done by Excel. So the first step is find the change in value, and you must subtract the old from the new, and this order will give us plus or negative sign. So first we find the change in the value by subtracting old from new. In the second step, we divide the change by the old or the initial value, and this will be the change per unit of the original value. So if I subtract 100 from 120, I will get 20 in the first step. When I divide 20 by 100, I will get 0.2, which is the change per unit of the original value. But the percentage change is the change for every 100. So therefore we have to multiply by 100. And this is done when we select percent format in Excel. Excel does this for us. And this is what many Excel users don't understand. And now let's write the formula. So is equal to new value minus old value. Put it in the parenthesis because we have to divide the result by the old value, which is this one, and press enter. And we don't have to multiply by 100 because the format of this column is percentage. If the format was general, then we would have got 0.2, and if I select this to percent, it will multiply it by 100 and give me the value with a percent sign besides it. So when we select this percent format, it automatically multiplies the value by 100. So we don't have to do the third step. Otherwise, if you manually do this, you have to do the third step. Keep the format in numbers or something else other than percent and multiply this formula by 100, or you simply type this formula and select the format to percentage. And now we can drag this formula cell to apply the formula to all rows. And now the formula is working for both positive and negative percentage changes.